Bedtime stories. Tired of reading? Here is the solution. Bedtime stories. Just listen while you sleep. Panchatantra stories are for you. Learn English through stories. If you enjoy, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Hello friends and welcome back to another story of Panchatantra. Name of the story, The Musical Donkey. Once, a washerman had a donkey. The donkey was old and lean. During the day, the donkey had to carry heavy loads of clothes. But at night, he was free to go about. The donkey happened to meet a jackal. They became friends and wandered together in search of food. One night, they found a garden full of ripe cucumber. They went in and ate as much as they could and came away. The next night, they went there again and ate as much as cucumber they wanted. Thus, night after night, they visited the garden and always had a heavy dinner of ripe cucumber. Soon, the donkey became fat. A few days later, the donkey felt so happy after eating the cucumber that he said to the jackal, "Look, dear nephew, the moon is shining in the sky. The night is pleasant and I feel like singing." Thank you. "Don't, uncle. Please don't," said the jackal. "It will only bring trouble for you. The farmers will hear you and they will come after us. We are thieves here. It is better for thieves to keep quiet." "Dear nephew," said the donkey, "everything here is lovely and I feel so happy that I must sing a nice song." "No, uncle," said the jackal. "Better not. Besides, your voice is not very pleasant." "You are jealous," said the donkey. "You have no taste for music." "Very true, uncle," said the jackal. "But your music is sweet only to you. If you sing, the farmers will hear you. Believe me, they will surely come here to reward you. Their reward you may not like, so you had better not sing. You are a fool, a big fool. Do you think I cannot sing? Do you think I cannot sing sweet? Now listen to me." So saying, the donkey lifted his head to bray. "Very well, uncle," said the jackal. "You can sing as much as you like, but I shall go and wait for you outside the garden." The donkey began to sing. The farmer heard his loud braying. He knew that the donkey was in the garden, and all rushed there with heavy weapons. The donkey was still braying when they started beating him. They beat him so hard that the donkey fell down. The farmer tied a heavy mortar round his neck before they left. The jackal was waiting outside the garden when the donkey dragged himself out. Dear uncle, said the jackal, so the farmers gave you a big reward for your singing? Congratulations! I am sorry, nephew, said the donkey, that I did not listen to you. So, dear children, what did you learn from the story? Moral of the story is, think before you act. Goodbye, dear children. See you with the next story. Goodbye. Don't forget to like. See you.